In a tense courtroom, Iris Gomez faces the consequences of a profound betrayal. Charged with stealing her own sister's identity, she must answer for a crime that led to her innocent sibling's arrest. As she enters a guilty plea, the judge delivers a stark warning: she must change her life, or face even darker outcomes. This is a case of family, fraud, and a final chance at redemption.
Court is calling 2024 CR 4614, State versus Iris Gomez. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Jose Rocha for Iris Gomez, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it Iris or Iris?
It's Iris.
Iris?
Iris in Spanish, but it's Iris.
All right. No, just tell me how to pronounce it. I will pronounce it the way it should be pronounced.
Iris, Your Honor.
All right, Iris. All right. So is there an application in this case?
No, Your Honor. There,
Right.
and Judge, just like you know, there's a case that's a plea, and there's also an MTR.
All right. So we're going to start with this case first.
Which is the case, Your Honor?
2024 CR 4614. All right, and so the record can be clear. If you all announce again for the record.
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Jose Rocha for Iris Gomez.
All right. And you're Miss Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gomez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Gomez, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with fraudulent use of possession of identifying information less than 5 items as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Gomez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, if the court were to follow your agreement, that potentially if you're not a citizen of the United States, you could be deported, not allowed re-entry into the country, and denied naturalization?
Understood, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is to run concurrent with 2020 CR 073. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor. I did.
State?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit Number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I believe that my client has accepted responsibility. She understands what has transpired, and she agreed to go forward with the plea agreement along with the MTR for it to run concurrently for 1 year. And I believe that that's also going to be time for her to really have an introspector of herself and understand what can be changed once she's released from jail.
Have you truly reflected on the fact that you stole your sister's identity and your sister was minding her business, being a good sister at work, and the police came in and arrested her because you had been using her identity and they thought it was her?
Yes.
Have you internalized that?
Yes.
Have you apologized to her?
Yes.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This is run concurrent with 2020 CR 0673. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, the court is proceeding in 2020 CR 0673. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and State's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Iris Nicole Gomez who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0673 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram on January 5th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, State.
Yes, Your Honor, and since it's a rather large MTR, we were going to go on the supplemental. And that's on violation of condition number 5. In Bear County, Texas, the defendant Iris Nicole Gomez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November and December 2022 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any
No
objection?
objections, Your Honor.
Would you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to adjudicate guilt, revoke the individual off the community supervision, sentence her to 1 year in the state jail facility to run concurrent with 2024 CR 4614.
That is an understanding of the agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Has she done anything on probation?
She's done a little, Your Honor.
And what has she completed parenting classes?
No, Your Honor.
Judge, the only thing that was complete on this term was on this probation was her TAP evaluation
I send her, it's over to my mom.
and there was a total credit of $424 for her assessed fines of $2,812.
So you haven't done anything on probation?
I had just lost my little sister around that time.
Mhm.
So it was very hard.
Okay. All right. The court is finding violation of condition number 5 true. The court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Court will give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? And I'm so sorry. This is the run concurrent with 2024 CR 4614. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And I'm going to also order, no residing with minors. All right, because this is because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you want deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
No, I don't.
All right, so you can appeal, but you can't say, I'm appealing because I don't think I should be on deferred adjudication. But you can appeal, you entered a plea of true to violation of condition number 5, and I've sentenced you. So you can appeal that entire plea of true, but not the fact that you were actually on probation. Do you understand? All right. All right, with regard to this, because this is a revocation and it's a criminal conviction now, felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're going to have to change your life big time. Otherwise, it's not going to end well for you. When you're released, do not go to your mom's house acting as though you're the parent to a child, because legally you're not the parent. You're the person who gave birth to a child, but you're not the parent. So don't try to go over there and change her system or change her rules. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.